Sa white ra pag live Grace. Nice to black and white. Lagi nice siya. Di ba? Mm. Kuan, silver screen ang pangan. Sa direct ra na sa kuan sa white pero kung mag StreamYard ka wala man ana. Ayaw na puti kay murag ka gisundo na ana siya. Muna na kung ganahan doon. Wa naman tong almond eh. Naiko ano ahos. Gamay ra pud. Mao akong babaan ni. Magkabaho daw baba ang ahos. Malibang magkakangano siya tuplok-tuplok diha. Ay misa ha kalibangon na jud ko ya. Wala kalibang dito maayo pag utong. Una kong utong red. Amin ni utol ko karon taod. Daera ko na ikaw na dito kalibang na. Where are 4 million people out there but only one typing, huh? But it's okay, that's fine. I think you just want to listen to me and you just want to see my ugly face there on the camera. Right? Right or wrong? Mm-hmm. So now it's 2 millions. Oh, no more almonds. I want almonds. Wait, Grace, iba to almonds da ay. Naman the ingredients sa likod. Garlic, peanut, green peas, garlic, cornix, pop beans with skin and garlic flakes. Ay, nagpataka. Alas grasya ba? Wala manina. Ah, nako. Sana may nuts, ani, garlic peanut. Oh, Grace, bagi prank ko mo, Grace. Ilat po yung taong ko da. Ang manis likod ang ingredients. I've been excuse me. Okay. I will let's proceed the hearts there. Look at me now. Do I ever been wondering why? Whoa, whoa, Mamma Mia, there we go again, my, how can I resist you, Mamma Mia? Itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. Okay, we'll sing this. Excuse me. She was afraid to come out of the locker. She was so nervous and she could be. She was afraid to come out of the locker. She was afraid that somebody would see 2, 3, 4 till the